it's your girl Gavyn here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I'm Gavyn. I like to try to recreate other beauty gurus' makeup tutorials because I'm just a regular old Joe and I don't have a lot of makeup experience, and I figured if you're a regular old Joe like me, then we can struggle through it together. So, welcome to the madness. Today, I wanted to step just a little bit further outside of my comfort zone and work with some prosthetics. I thought the best tutorial to do that would be to recreate the Maleficent makeup. And so I found a tutorial by one of my faves, good old Chrisspy. You know she's fire. She's one of the queens of Halloween makeup. And we're just gonna give it a shot. I do know that they use like prosthetics and stuff for the cheeks, so I just went to my local Spirit Halloween store and got this scar putty. I hope this is the right thing to use. I've never used this before, so all right, Chrisspy, give it to me, sis. What you got? Production, quality on Hollywood. Okay, we're in a forest. Oh yes, I'm here for all of this. Next year I need to step my game up, okay? We're gonna have trees and stuff, fog, work queen.
Welcome to my
yes! Chisel. This is how I want my face to look on the regular, just
yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen.
eyebrows. I got that too, sis. Anastasia of the Beverly Hillses. So, oh, guess what? I cleaned my brushes, y'all. I did. I'm gonna be better about it. But, it was a struggle the last, like, week or so I couldn't get to it. But, I did this week. I cleaned these things, okay? All right, so we've got our brows. She said make them pointy so that they look more villainous. I mean, these are scary, as in they look crazy. But, let's keep it going. Concealer, carve that thing out. Okay. Right? And then she kind of just used a flat brush. Okay.
That's a paint pot.
Okay. Let me clean the other eyeball and then we'll just go from there, I guess. Okay, so I put on a little bit too much concealer on this eye, but because she's using a color called Painterly, which I guess is like a light creamy color, I'm just gonna use my concealer to do the same thing and hope that that's right. I hope. Boom. What's next?
Super defined.
Gray. I'm sitting here wondering why it's so damn dark. I'm looking at the monitor and I'm like, why does this look different? I forgot to turn the lights on. All right, back into it. Gray, I'm gonna use the one that's in this palette because it's more of like a green in that other one, in the Jaclyn Hill one. So I'm using this Naked Smoke palette and I'm using Dagger. I don't know, she said just a light, just a little bit, just a touch. Okay. What is next?
I tried to make my eyes
Yellow. Yellow? Oh, okay. Well, it's not really yellow, but we've used it before. This kind of orangey color right here kind of shows yellow, I think, if I remember correctly. Yeah, that's fine. What's next? Black shadow. A little bit of black. Keep it round. And then she blended it out, I guess. Okay.
under eye concealer, and this is in
Concealer. Under the eyeballs. Ow. Okay, what's next?
Next, for my eyeliner, I used this brown eyeliner pencil from...
She's using brown, but you know, I ain't got that. Well, it's not a pencil though. What color is this? Oh wait, I do have a brown eyeliner. And then...
So I added a tiny little baby wing to try to smoke it out.
Okay. She blended it out and then she browned it out with some brown shadow. So I'm gonna just kind of baby wing Ooh, some wings would be bomb right now. And then a little bit of brown. Choose a brown, sis. Okay, and then...
And last but not least, I added a pair of lashes and I kept the style pretty natural.
Lashes. Okay, now we're getting into the cheeks. This is gonna make me a little nervous because I've never done this before. Okay.
You're gonna need baby wipes.
Nope.
I have here Vaseline or petroleum jelly. I have a spatula.
I have none of this.
Googled this way too much.
Okay,
So
don't use a lot. Roll it,
hearing the
make it into the shape of a cheek. Oh, my hair. No, 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 no. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I guess just, oh, this is hard. I regret everything.
No regrets.
If you like my makeup so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up because I don't know what's about to happen after this. This looks like I have a really gross, like, situation happening on my face. Okay, so this is kind of how the first cheek looks. It's not bad for never having done this before. It took me so this side I just rolled it, globbed it on, and what I've been doing is just gently rubbing my fingers down the edges and just kind of spreading it out. Then I'll take both of my fingers and kind of do like that so that I can narrow out and elongate it. This is hard.
That's what she said.
If you can find, I know it's last minute, but if some Halloween stores actually have prosthetic cheeks, especially because Maleficent has been so popular, so if you can find those, use those. I'll be back. This is good as it's gonna get, all right? This is now turned into an alien makeup tutorial. Welcome.
that spatula.
Yeah, hers are so much bigger than mine.
I want to say an hour of doing tiny.
An hour?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Okay, so foundation over it. Yeah, it's working. It is taking the color really well, actually. She used a spatula to smooth it out. I'm wondering if I can use the back of my eyelash. Oh, that does kind of work. My tweezers to smooth out the majority of the bumpy areas. It's not perfect, but it looks decent. It's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad.
Boy, if you don't...
I'm lying, it's bad. And then she put some concealer again under the eyeballs. What's next?
And it was more pale. Then I took a powder. This is from Mana Kadar.
I have a powder, so let's pack it on. Oh yeah, it actually does kind of hide a little bit.
Now to contour those cheekbones out.
Contour. I feel like I can use a black instead of a brown. I mean, yes, we're chiseled, but...
It's because I feel like my nose is a little bit more narrow.
So she's contouring her nose to make it look like Miss Jolie. I still don't know how to contour my nose, in general.
Then on the lips.
Lips. Okay. We got a red lip on. I didn't do it.
Natural.
I'm not putting no contacts. I already have problems with my eyes as it is, so.
They're a little bit bright. It's complete.
Oh, that's it.
So much fun doing.
Okay, I feel like I need more something. I mean, I guess because it's just Maleficent, it doesn't really matter too much because she doesn't have a lot of makeup on. The cheeks is what makes it. I think if I had more of this prosthetic wax stuff, it would feel more yes, but since I only had a little bit and they're so tiny, I mean, it's cool. I don't think I did that well. Hers looks amazing, but she also has much more. If you're gonna do a Maleficent, this tutorial is cool. Just get a bigger thing of wax. Don't use this small scar putty thing. Don't use that. Or at least buy 3 of them Johns. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so that I know to keep creating more awesome Makeup Monday content for you guys. Also, let me know in the comment section below if there's anything you want to see in the future. The holidays are coming up. If you want me to try any sort of holiday themed makeup tutorial, or, you know, maybe it's time I start creating my own. We'll see. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you in my family, a part of the cousin community. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Actually, it's probably on this side. Every week, Gavyn. Every week. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have an awesome Halloween week. Man, happy Halloween, everybody. And I'll see you in the next video. I don't know why I put my hand on my hip. It doesn't really make sense since I'm sitting down, so. These cheeks can chisel diamonds, you know what I'm saying? They can cut it out. Could I just walk around like this? Come on, this is my new everyday look, y'all. I don't even care. These cheeks are chiseled.